Alright, let's get straight to it. If you're thinking about working abroad in 2025, you're not alone. The world's opening up, remote work is everywhere, and countries are rolling out the red carpet for foreign talent like never before. But here's the catch, not all destinations are created equal. Some countries make it a breeze to get a work visa, while others, well, let's just say they want to keep you guessing. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best countries for foreign workers in 2025, and sharing some visa hacks you definitely want to know. Let's kick things off with Portugal. This little country is punching way above its weight. With the digital nomad visa, you can live and work here for up to a year, and if you fall in love with the pastel de nata, you can even apply for longer-term residency. What's cool is, you need proof of remote work, a contract, and about 3,000 euros in monthly income, way less than some other European countries. Next up, Canada. Yep, still a classic. The express entry system is faster than ever, and if you're in tech or healthcare, your odds just shot up. Pro tip: get your educational credentials assessed before you apply. It shaves weeks off the process. And don't forget about the global talent stream for super fast processing if you're in STEM. Heading to Asia, Singapore and South Korea have really stepped up. Singapore's Tech.Pass lets top professionals work and even launch startups. In Korea, the new digital nomad visa, launched this year, means you can work in Seoul's buzzing tech scene while feasting on kimchi pancakes. Now let's talk hacks. Always double-check requirements on the official government site. Rules change fast. Use job boards like LinkedIn and Glassdoor, but don't ignore local sites, which often have listings you won't find elsewhere. And remember, networking isn't just a buzzword. Join local expat or industry groups online before you land. A quick word on paperwork. Digitize everything. Scan your passport, references, diplomas, all of it. It'll save you so much stress later. And if you're not a native English speaker, have your documents officially translated. Governments love stamps. Alright, I know moving abroad can feel overwhelming, but if you've got the skills, the world really is your oyster in 2025. Pick your country, hack the visa, and chase that adventure. You've totally got this.